Hey, I'm Maddie and I'm the head of design here at ProPay. ProPay is an AI-powered claims automation tool that turns messy warranty paperwork into submit and paid in just minutes. In the next 3 minutes, you'll see how we pull a finished job straight out of the FSM tool, guardrail it with real-time validations, auto-submit the claim on their behalf in the submission portal for the warranty provider, and drop the cash right into the technician's bank account, all with no human back office required. So we're taking a 15-minute process and shrinking it into 30 seconds. So let's begin. First, the pro has to choose their FSM. Today, we'll use Workiz. With one click, we'll grant them the OAuth, and ProPay begins immediately streaming the completed jobs. Behind the scenes, we actually map every Workiz field, whether it's the customer information, the appliance information, or all of the line items on the invoice. We bring that all into the ProPay data model ready for claim creation. As soon as the job status flips to done, ProPay's rule engine compares it to the warranty provider's contract. So we have some hard gate errors like missing authorization number or missing failure code. And then there's some soft mismatches like having a part that might be off catalog. These all surface instantly and instead of 2 weeks later when the claim gets rejected. So you can see here, we can actually fix this immediately inside of ProPay without the technician having to go all the way back to their FSM tool. Now let's submit a claim. With all gates green, what we can do is we can go to the ProPay AI agent. And this ProPay agent will first create a plan, and then we'll spin up a headless browser populating the submission portal exactly as a human would, only it's 100 times faster and it's error-free. This then returns the claim number in real time. Oh, so you see it there. Because ProPay scores this claim as low risk, the pro can actually get paid today instead of 30 days out. ProPay advances the net amount minus a small fee and reconciles when the warranty company funds arrive. You can even track the payment and get updates when it's available. You're able to see here which claims have been submitted, which payments have been sent. You can mark them as paid. You're able to see them all in the dashboard. And that's ProPay. Just connect once, validate everything instantly, submit automatically, and get paid on your schedule. If you're ready to turn your claims cost center into a 30-second click, well, let's talk.